How to block all incoming calls on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block all incoming calls on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So what we'll do here is we'll just add a new focus, or we'll just add a new uh you know do not disturb, where we'll have blocked all of our contacts. So to do that, head over to our settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down and there you should see a focus option. Tap on focus and there you will see different options like do not disturb, your gaming mode, your messages, sleep and stuff like that. So we'll just tap on add and let's just add a custom one. Or what you can do here is you can directly go to do not disturb as well. After you're on do not disturb, on people you will see that you if you tap on it you can block a specific people as well, or you can just silence your notifications. So just head over to silence notification from, or you can allow notification from, and make sure that you do not add anyone here. After you do that, if you tap on allow contacts from, make sure that this is turned to no one, basically no one. So simply just remove everyone from that. You can just tap on family and remove everyone from family, and they will not be able to bypass your DND. Also turn off allow repeated calls, and if you do that, people will not people if they call more than once, their call will always be silenced, so they will also not be able to call you. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. Now all you have to do is head over to the control panel, tap on the focus and turn on do not disturb. Now that is how you can block all incoming calls on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.